How to change your name on Facebook. So if you want to change your name, open up your Facebook app, and then under Facebook, on the upper right corner, you will have a three-barred icon. Tap on that, and here if you scroll down, you will find an option which says Settings and Privacy, and under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. So before moving on, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Here on the account section, tap on Personal and Account Information, and here you will have first option which says Name. Tap on that name, and you can see that you will have your first name, middle name, and your last name. So you have a note that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. So if you want to change your name, you can just change your name by like deleting this, and then you can tap on your name. So I don't want to change my name right now, but if you want to change your name on Facebook, then you can have this process. So changing your name in Facebook was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.